Okay, guys, welcome to part three, where we're going to be talking about the actual marketing aspect of your articles on LinkedIn here. So, in the last video, we were going over optimization. So, we talked about actually putting in the tags here. So, your keyword tags for it to actually rank. Okay, and then the next, and we're just gonna I'm gonna just show you if we're getting any results here. So it looks like we're already getting a huge amount of impressions. So that's a good thing. You know, the better the quality of your articles, the more impressions you're gonna get, and that's why my newsletter is getting so many impressions, is because it has so much good quality to it. And I haven't even started to actually put a lot of quality into this. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I can do this, how you can do this properly. So with that said, let's jump into actually doing Money Robot stuff. So what I'll do is I'll take this article right here, I'll copy it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into my Money Robot tool here. I'm going to just close this for a second. Alright, so just close that for a second. Okay. So I'm going to create a new campaign. I'm going to put in the article here. And that's the article link from LinkedIn. And I'm actually going to take this keyword right here, generative AI video, and I'll go to my keyword research tool. And then I will actually post that like that, and I will search. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to copy those, and I want to jump back into my campaign. I'm going to jump back into my campaign. I'm going to paste it. All right. And then finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a unique article for that. And then basically it's going to spin a unique article. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this for 10 days. And I'm going to choose a specific diagram for this. So this is going to be Web 2.0 power. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a higher end one for this one. So I'll use hexagonal backlinking variation, set this for 10 days, and then publish. Oh, actually I have to make sure I add the name to this. So you always want to make sure you name your articles properly so that people know where to find you. So Premiere Pro. Alright, and I will just set that to go. That's pretty much it, guys. So that ends our our tutorial here. So now you know how to actually create articles that rank. I highly recommend you are consistent and you find news that is related to your niche or offer, and then continuously post newsletters about it. So you can combine 2 to 3 different posts in one newsletter that is on LinkedIn, and then basically post that and then run the Money Robot tool on it so it will eventually rank on the first page of Google. I recommend doing this every day and basically adding your hashtags in the bottom, and that way you're able to actually get found on LinkedIn so you can start to generate more clients and people that are willing to work with you over time. So as you can see, I already got 36 impressions, and sometimes that might lead to somebody subscribing to my newsletter or even taking me up on an offer. So that's the benefit of it, and that's why I like to do it. It's a great source to get warm leads and cold leads for your agency or your business, and you can easily close them. So essentially, I'm gonna give you a bonus step right here, actually. So what I want to do is I'm gonna actually show you what you could write to people that are, that you might want to work with, and I'll show you a live example of a conversation that led to a call booked. Okay, so I'm just going to show you right here. Okay, so I'll just scroll a little bit further down here, and I'll show you a conversation that led to an offer. So just give me 1 second while I scroll down to the bottom here. I believe it was. And I have a lot of conversations going on, guys. I have a lot of conversations that are happening on LinkedIn. I've reached out to thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs on LinkedIn. I've had some pretty decent success with it. Alright, so alright. Let me just. Okay, so here's an example of a conversation that led to a call. And I just wanted to go through right here how I started the pitch. So I just basically said, "Hey Walt, I would love to connect with you," and then I just basically went into it. "Thank you so much for connecting. If I could ever support you, do not hesitate to let me know. Best. Thank you so much." That one led to a conversation, which led to a sales call. Okay, so it's just a matter of just opening them up, referring to them as by their name. And then I do have another pitch that I did do before, and I'll just show that one to you as well. So obviously I did a lot of pitching. You know, I did over thousands of cold pitches to agency owners and business owners on LinkedIn. So most of them know who I am. They're pretty familiar with who I am. So there's actually one other pitch that I'll show you here that actually worked out really, really well. Well, most of them did. But I'll show you one other that worked out really well. If I could find it. If it was this one here. So you might have seen this guy on YouTube, but I thought this was a fantastic way to pitch somebody, is to do just a straight up video pitch with your face. He was able to grow to multiple millions of dollars. This is something that I'm going to be copying, and I recommend you copy too. I'm going to show you the video right now. He pitched me, and now he's a multi-millionaire on YouTube, and I want to just show you, you know, what he's doing exactly here. So I'm gonna open this video and show you the video that he sent to me, and you can model it for yourself too when you're cold pitching the people that are gonna be reading your articles. So that's basically his pitch. Actually, absolutely fantastic. I love it. If you were to model that and copy that and start, you know, pitching as many people as you can that have their eyes on your profile, in this context with this video, I'll actually leave this video below in the training so you can model it for yourself. But basically, if you send out videos of just like a video of yourself just talking, hey, how are you doing, and talk about your, you know, what you're offering, you have a higher chance of converting the person as opposed to, you know, sending them a cold text, right? Video converts higher than text. So just to keep that in mind when you're pitching these people. So with that said, I hope you got value from this training, and love to hear from you. Send me a DM if you have any issues or concerns. And thank you again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Take care, guys.